Imagine a 20-year-old college student named Arav. One day, he decided to change his life. He made a timetable: wake up early, work out every day, study for 4 hours, sleep on time. He looked at it and smiled. He said, "This time I won't quit." For a few days, everything went perfectly. But after 1 week, the timetable was still on the wall, but the routine was gone. The truth is, Arav isn't just one person. At some point in our lives, almost at some point in our lives, almost all of us have been Arav. So why is staying consistent so difficult? In today's video, let's break down exactly why and how to fix it. Imagine, so what actually happened to Arav? Was he lazy? No. Did he not care about his future? No. So why did he quit? I think there are four reasons. The first reason is our brain loves comfort more than progress. Think about it: studying for an hour gives rewards after months, but scrolling Instagram gives pleasure in seconds. Every day, Arav had two choices. One is hard but meaningful, the other is easy but temporary. And every time he chose comfort. He wasn't just wasting 1 hour, he was training his brain that comfort is more important than growth. Your brain doesn't choose what's best, it chooses what's easiest. The second reason is expectations. Arav didn't just want to improve, he wanted to change his whole life in 1 week. New wake up time, new workout, new study routine, new sleep schedule, everything all at once. But life doesn't work like that. Big routines don't fail because they are difficult, they fail because they are too big to repeat. Then one day, Arav woke up late. He skipped his workout, he didn't study, and he said, "I will start again tomorrow." Tomorrow became next week became next month. One missed day became missed habit. The biggest mistake wasn't missing one day, it was believing one bad day meant the journey was over. Finally, Arav stopped thinking about today's work. Instead, he started imagining future results: a big house, a luxury car, success, money, respect. But while dreaming, today's work remained unfinished. You cannot build tomorrow if you keep escaping today. Finally, so if these are the reasons we lose consistency, how do we fix it? Arav didn't need more motivation. He needed better systems because motivation starts people, systems keep people going. The first solution is stop chasing results, build identity. Arav made one mistake. Every morning, he asked himself, "How can I become successful?" That's the wrong question. The better question is, who do I want to become? Instead of saying, "I want six pack abs," say, "I'm someone who never skipped workouts." Instead of saying, "I want better English," say, "I'm someone who speaks English every day." Your identity creates your action and your actions creates your results. The second solution is win today, not the whole year. Imagine someone asks you, "Can you stay consistent for 5 years?" That's scary. But what if I ask, "Can you stay consistent for today?" Suddenly, it feels possible. Most people fail because they are trying to win the whole year before winning today. Life is lived one day at a time. So consistency is built one day at a time. Don't win the whole year, win today. The third solution is the streak principle. This is something that helped me personally. Every day you complete your habit, put one tick in your notes app, your calendar, or on a piece of paper. Because after 20 days, you are no longer protecting a habit, you are protecting your streaks. When you see 15 check marks, you won't want to break them. That's how your brain starts working for you instead of against you. People don't protect habits, they protect streaks. The fourth solution is never miss twice. Remember when Arav missed one workout? That wasn't the problem. The problem started when one missed day became two, then three, then a week. So make one rule, never miss twice. Miss today, fine. Tomorrow you are back. A bad day should never become a bad month. The fifth solution is make it so easy that you can't say no. If your goal is 1 hour of reading, start with 5 minutes. If your goal is doing 100 push ups, start with 5. If your goal is speaking English for 1 hour, start with 1 minute. Because the hardest part isn't doing the work, it's starting the work. Once you start, continuing becomes much easier. Let's go back to the RL. And the interesting thing is, Arav didn't become consistent in overnight. He still missed days, he still made mistakes, but this time he stopped chasing perfection and started chasing progress. Because consistency isn't about never falling. It's about getting back up every single time you fall. And maybe that's why consistency is so powerful. Not because it changes your life in one day, but because one day it changes your entire life. So don't wait for the perfect Monday. Don't wait for next month. Don't wait for next year. Start today, protect today, and repeat tomorrow. That's the consistency. And remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every day 100 started with day 1. See you in the next video.